Okay, so it's 12 o'clock at night or in the morning, 12:03. And we're going to change out a hanging light, chandelier, I guess. I don't know what you call it. Here, let me show you what it is. It's my kitchen light. See, it just sticks into the ceiling like that. Now, I've changed out a few of these, so it's not that big a challenge. But you never know. The things I would recommend is that you obviously turn off the... I don't know, how do you zoom this? Can you zoom it? I guess you can't. Anyway, the thing I would recommend is that you turn off the light switch power so you don't electrocute yourself. But then again, you may electrocute yourself anyway. But we'll see what happens. I get the switch turned off. Like here. This is what happens. You turn on the switch. There it is. Turn it off. So it's turned off. So there should be no power going to it. So we're gonna change this out. As you can see, this light here. Well, we'll go through that later. Let's just start here. So there's a little nut up here. And generally they're not more than finger tight, especially in this place, because whoever did this place was, as Matt Damon would say, they were retarded. I mean, there's some lights in here that just confound me. Okay, so you pull the plate off. There you go. Now you got access now to the wiring. The wiring runs through this. So let's see if we can get this without just totally messing up the wiring. Because for some reason, I don't know, that's shoved up in there. I don't know if it's right at all. I had to look this up on the internet, so I'm not sure. Yeah, there we go. We got a bunch of coils. Of wire. Let's see here. We got this guy. We got this guy. This is your black. This is your white. Oh, look at it. That's nice, huh? So that's how they had it wired. See this? This is the wiring for the light. I just pulled it down and it came apart. Okay, these guys are nitwits. Whoever wired this place, whoever did all the work in here, idiots. Idiotas. Supremes. Okay, I can't. It's not. Oh, there we go. I don't know. I'm just pulling on it. Hopefully something will happen. I guess something will happen, right? But I'm not. I haven't electrocuted myself yet. That's good. There's another wire. What's that one? This is that looks like a ground wire. But then it's screwed in. What? I don't know what they got going there. Anyway, so let's. Oh, I know what happened. When I pulled on it, I pulled the black so far down. Oh, and there's a red here too. What? Oh, I think the black. They got a black tied into a red. I think that's constant circuit. So I think you gotta take that off. Because that's not, well actually you probably just leave that. Black and red. And then there's another black tied into another one of these ceiling light wires. And that's the one that'll electrocute you. There we go. That's the one that'll hook you up if you get the light turned on. So check it out. So this light hangs down to a point where if you don't have a dining room table under it, you'll crack your head off it. And when I was doing work in this house, I cracked my head off it so many times. They ended up body slamming that. Well, I basically gave it a forearm smash and sent the fixture that looks like this, that was there, flying across the room. You know, this little glass shade here, smashed into 9 million little bits. Okay, so we're at that point now. We got the wires exposed. Safety check. You don't have the plug turned on, right? The switch is not on for that light. Because if it is, you're probably not watching this. I'm going to shut you off for a second till I get the other light out of the box. Because it's over here and I haven't... Hold on. It's over there. I haven't pulled it out yet. And I actually got crap sticking on top of it. But that's what we're putting up. So, give me a minute. Okay, so I started unloading the box, and one thing that's always nice when the packaging tape is stuck to the side of the instruction manual. Not that we read these, but if I wanted to, I mean, look at the whole first half of the inside page is gone. I don't know what was there. It looks like the quantities of things they're supposed to include, so might have been there, but who knows, really, right? All right, so I got some stuff. I got this thing, which is a little cup. This goes over the light, boom, right? And I got this thing, which I think it's already on. I already got one of these. It's already mounted here. Let me take it out of the cellophane. This is already mounted. Okay, minus that hook. This is already on there. So I'll just use their hook. But otherwise, I have this deal. I think I'm going to go up and put this on. Oh, well, this one seems a lot longer than the one I got. But let me look. Let me make sure it fits. And the thing they do to confound you is they always, each manufacturer will make their own little individual stuff so that nothing is universal ever. It's always like, okay, well, this one's this way and then that one's that way and screw you. Too bad. Well, I love the way they get their ground. I don't even know what the hell they did with the... Come on, man. Who did this? Who did this stuff? Anyway, here's the black. I got two whites. I don't know why, but one must be one running from another circuit. Oh, you know what, though? I got another tie-in up here, but we'll leave it because it's like we're just going to leave that white alone. So we got a black and white. This thing which is tied off, and make sure this is tight. It's a red and a black. You probably won't have one of those. And then their ground is just like, I don't know what the hell they were doing there. Anyway, we got everything we need. And there's no power running through any of it, as you can see. It's probably because I shut off the power supply, which is a switch. It's that little thing you flip up and down. You know what a switch is, right? Okay, so that's where we are now. Let's see, what is, well, let me get the rest of the light out. Here's the rest of it. Here's the box. You can't see it. But there's this, man, packaging. Can you say packaging? Okay, they got that. Some styrofoam. That's always good for the environment. Kill a few dolphins. More cardboard. Alright, but hey, you know what? It all goes towards keeping my light perfectly safe. There's some more styrofoam. And that can go in landfill and it'll degrade in like 900 million years. Is that what they say? This is a 6 light chandelier. Right now, coming in the box doesn't look anything like I looked at the store. So I hope it changes. That's it. Right here. There it is. See, you got 3 lights, 3 lights. And they should, oh boy, what do we got going here? Well, this is saying that it shouldn't be like that. I don't want this. Oh, crap, I think I got the wrong light. I got the wrong light. I take this back. All right, so we'll readdress this when I get the new light. You know what, since this is bad home improvement, and sometimes you get the wrong stuff, I'm just going to show you how to repackage the stuff you had. And never buy anything at the hardware store that's been opened already. Because
chances are somebody repacked it just like I am right now. All right, good. Yeah, perfect. Seriously, don't ever buy anything somebody has returned. If you find a package that like it's been opened and it's been retaped, walk away. Find one that hasn't been opened or retaped. Okay, well, that's what we got to do for now because this is around light. Thank you for joining me on another exciting episode of Bad Home Improvement. I didn't think this was going to be so fruitful, but obviously it's... Oh my gosh. This is so bad.